Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here with day 21 of 31 days of beauty. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, where y'all been? Okay, but if you're tuning in for the very first time, my name is Nisha and I have been doing 31 days of beauty for the whole month of October. This is my style of Vlogtober. I am bringing a different makeup tutorial using different palettes. There's some new, there's some old, there's a little bit of just everything in this 31 days of beauty. So just hopefully you guys like what you see. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that like button, okay? And let me know how you feel about today's look once I get to slaying, okay? So this is my first time trying this brand, so I'm super excited because I always wanted to try this brand, but I don't know what my excuse was. I really don't. I really don't know. I don't have one. But this is a black owned brand, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry if I say the name incorrectly, but I think it's pronounced Uoma or Oma. This is what I'm talking about. Yes. So this is one of the palettes that I got from ULTA, and this is Black Magic Carnival. I was so confused for the longest because I was trying to look at what was the most popular palette so I can try which one, and they all are named Black Magic, and I was like, what? Why is it sick? Because when I looked on YouTube, it was like Black Magic and so many different palettes was coming up. I was like, I'm so confused. So I had to actually go on the website. So there's a different, like, how can I say it? A different series for different themes. So for Black Magic, there's 4 different palettes for Black Magic, and then they have their own different names. So this one is Carnival, and I think the other one that I got is called, I don't know, but there's different names, but they're all called Black Magic, but just different, like Black Magic Carnival, Black Magic, blah blah blah. It took me the longest to figure out what the heck was going on. So I think this is the popular one that I kept seeing pop up, and I like this one. This was actually my favorite color story out of the 4 of the Black Magic collections of the palettes, and this is what she looks like. We got some color. I know I'm a color girl, so I am here for it. My lighting is not doing the justice. Okay, here we go. That is true colors of the eyeshadows right there. Okay. I was like, for a minute, I'm like, wait, that is not how they look in person. So we're going to be doing a look. So let me pin my hair and get it out the way. I'm so excited for this though, because I know the quality ain't nothing to play with. I know it's good because I've heard a lot of positive things about this brand. So yeah, so you can't beat that with a stick. So let's zoom in, shorties. All right, so I'm gonna start off with this beautiful chocolate brown shade right here, and I'm just popping it right in the crease. I do plan on cutting my crease today, so I do want to make my crease area very defined. So I'm going to keep piling this shade on, and I'm going to take it all the way. I actually think I'm going to do a peekaboo effect today, or a halo. That's what y'all call it. And then I'm going to blend out that beautiful dark brown with this orangey brown shade. These eyeshadows are definitely giving me my quality. I knew it. I knew this was going to be good. Why did it take me so long to get this? I don't know why. And then I'm going to try this matte yellow as well. I want to see if I can buff out some of that orangey brown shade. I always think it's important when any brands like put a matte yellow in there, you want to test it out right away because you want to make sure that yellow is vibrant. Like that can make or break the palette. So don't put no yellow in there and it's crusty, then it doesn't appear on, you know, my complexion. But if I can use that yellow and blend it out and still see like that yellow peeping through. So I know if I use it padding, you know, if I pat on my eyelid, it's going to show. But will it show if I blend it in my crease is the question. And I'm not going to lie, y'all, it's showing up. So it's doing what it's supposed to do. So this is a nice, like, rich yellow. This looks really good. I see that yellow peeping through. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully the camera is gravitating towards that beautiful yellow blend, but I'm gonna cut my lid really quick. All right, so I did, like I said, I'm just doing a halo. So I'm not worrying about the inner and outer not matching, just that top part, the center. And now I'm gonna go in with one of these beautiful metallic shades. And I just noticed that bottom row is all matte and then the tops are all metallics. I did not know that, but that's very convenient. I like that. So I'm gonna go for, I was tempted to go for that green because that green is color my name. I don't know why I've just been into green lately, but we're gonna say the greens for December because I know I'm throwing a lot of green looks for that month. Let's go with purple. Let's try this pretty metallic purple. Why not? I don't know if these are good wet or dry. I'm gonna just try a wet anyway and see what it's going to give. Alright, and then I'm going to go back in with the dark brown. I'm going to place it towards the outer. And I'm going to do the same thing for the inner. Alright, I think I'm going to do a little bit more blending, but right now I just want to move on to my face really quick. So let me just quickly zoom out just a tad bit. Okay, my face is very much so dry, so I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild serum. Plus I want that glow, y'all know. And then primer, I'm going in with my e.l.f. and this is the Power Grip Primer. My face is sticky, sticky, sticky. I'm gonna go in with my Clinique foundation. Y'all can see why I've been like gravitating these duos. Like between this Wet n Wild and this Clinique, I don't know which one is doing what it's doing, but I can't leave it alone. Like it's just, look at that glistening glow, honey. Ooh, I love it. And then for my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Benefit Concealer. I'm going to mix a little bit of my e.l.f. concealer with this one too because this Benefit be a little bit too white for my liking. Just a tad bit too white. I'm only going to contour my nose with Fenty today. I'm not going to do my cheeks. So before I blend that out, I'm gonna let that sit on my nose so that way it can make a harsher blend for me. But I wanna go in with my Tarte for underneath my concealer area. And you already know Black Radiance for all over my face. Alright, definitely have to go back in and re-blend my eyes. I can see a little bit of my mess ups. But for the time being, I'm gonna go in with my black pencil. And then I'm gonna take that brown eyeshadow and put on my bottom lash line. And y'all know I need an inner popper. So I'm gonna pop this glitter glue right in my inner part. I'm over here trying to think, I'm brainstorming. I'm like, what color I'm gonna put in that inner part. Let's go for this one right here. In the pan, it looks a little pinkish. Okay, a lot of pinkish because it's definitely pink. And I'm going to contour with L'Oreal today. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Bakerie blush. I'm just gonna pop it right on the cheeks. And then I'm moving on to my lips. Definitely going in with this Beauty Bakerie lipstick. Pretty nude pink shade. For some reason my lips are extremely sticky today. I never get this from Beauty Bakerie. I don't know why it's extremely sticky today. Alright, and then for my lip topper, I'm going to put on So Juicy. My face is looking so good. I'm just curious to know if I can finesse one of these eyeshadows and use them as a highlighter. You know what? Let me not do that. I guess we're just going to finish this off with Beauty Bakerie. So I have the Beauty Bakerie contour highlight palette. It's not a contour, it's a highlighter palette, sorry. And I'm going to go for... I'm gonna go for this pretty golden peach shade. Alright, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys enjoyed and liked today's makeup look. And all I gotta say is, why did it take me so long to try this brand out? Why? Because not only is the quality amazing, I definitely love the color story. I love the formula. Okay. Baby, this brown and purple is giving me, what's my saying? Life. Yes, giving me life. I hope you guys like and enjoy today's makeup look as well. If y'all haven't tried anything from this brand, don't sleep on her. Like, I'm definitely ready to go ahead and try out the foundation, the concealer, everything else everybody's hyping about this brand. Like, oh, do y'all see the quality? I barely put in the effort of blending these shadows, and they are very vibrant. They're very easy to blend. And did I mention they're vibrant? Like, girl, sis. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. Don't forget to leave me your feedback down at the bottom, of course, okay? Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, because I feel like some of y'all do forget. And I get like that sometimes. I watch a video and totally forget to hit that, you know, that thumbs up button. That definitely helps out a lot. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. I will be back tomorrow with another banger, another slayer. So make sure you guys come back tomorrow. And y'all all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.